guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this gold and burgundy smoky cat eye. Please keep watching if you'd like to see. Bye! So first I'm going to take this eyeshadow here by Makeup Geek. This is Beaches and Cream. Take it on a large fluffy brush. This is the Sigma E40 and I'm just going to take that, load it onto the brush and pop it all over my eye from the lid right to the brow bone. Next I'm going to take this one here, this is Kid by MAC, just on that same brush. I'm going to take this quite far out of the crease. Next I'm going to take this deep burgundy shade here, this is Bitten by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to take that on their outer V brush. I'm just going to take that and pat that into my outer corner. That E40 by Sigma and just blend that out a little bit in the crease. I'm taking this brush with no extra product on it whatsoever. Now I'm just taking this Maybelline Colour Tattoo in the shade Eternal Gold in the inner portions of my eye towards the middle portion, but I'm going to keep well away from that outer section. And I'm just taking that on my finger, I'm not bothering with a brush for that. Next I'm going to take this gold shade by Makeup Geek on this Sigma E55. But any quite dense flat shader brush will do. Now I'm just placing that on top of that gold eye base. And that shade is Gold Digger by Makeup Geek. Now I'm just going back in with that same outer V brush by Makeup Geek with their eyeshadow Bitten, and I'm just adding that back to the outer corner just to bring some vibrancy back. I'm just going to blend that out with the Sigma E40. Now with that Sigma E55 I'm going to add a highlight shade. I'm taking Shimmer Shimmer by Makeup Geek. And I'm just going to add that to my brow bone. Adding it to my inner corner as well. Now I'm just going to add some winged liner. I'm using Maybelline Master Ink in Charcoal Black. Now I'm just adding some eyeliner to the rims of my eyes. I'm using this Crazy Sexy Kohl by Soap & Glory. I'm just going to curl my lashes and add 2 coats of my favourite mascara. For watching. I'll link all of the products I used in the description below for both my face that I didn't include and my eyes that I did include. Please subscribe if you haven't already and stick around for some more videos. Bye!